Next, we are going to make the ears. We use the pink crochet yarn. Loop the yarn once around your pinky and index finger. And hold the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Place the hook under the yarn with the hook tip facing you. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through to make a slip knot. Slip off the knot. We need to fix the ear onto the head. This is the center front of the head. The ears need to be sewn on stitch between round 2 and 3 on transversal line of the center point. Insert the hook on round 3. And bring it up between round 2 and 3. Put the loop of the ear on the hook. Then pull through the loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through. Insert the hook into the position where you just bring up the hook. Thread through the stitch in round 2, and bring the hook up from the position between round 1 and 2. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Pull the first loop over the second loop. Now there are 2 stitches on ear. Next, we hook back 3 stitches. Yarn over and pull through to make a chain stitch. Turn over the head and put the back of the head facing you. Insert the hook into the second to last stitch. Work 1 increase. Insert the hook into the next stitch. And work 1 single crochet. You can see there are 3 stitches in this round. Work 1 chain stitch. Turn over the head and put the front of the head facing you. Insert the hook into the 3rd stitch in round 2. Work 1 single crochet. And work 1 increase in the next stitch. This is the first stitch of the last round. Insert the hook into this stitch and work 1 single crochet. We just crochet 4 stitches in this round. Work 1 chain stitch. Turn over the head to the back side. Insert hook into the last stitch in round 3 to work 1 single crochet. We need to work 4 single crochet in this round. 2, 3, 4, work 1 chain stitch. Turn over the head. Now, we use another way to work the decrease. Insert the hook into the last stitch in round 4. Yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Now there are 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. And we finish 1 decrease. Then work to single crochet. This round has 3 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch. Turn over the head. Work 1 decrease. Insert the hook into the last stitch in round 5, yarn over and pull through. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now there are 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. And we finish 1 decrease. Then work 1 single crochet. This round has 2 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch. Turn over the head. Work 1 decrease. And work 1 chain stitch at the end and pull the yarn to leave a long tail. Cut off the yarn. And pull through the loop to pull tight. And this is one of the ears. Hide the rest of the yarn tail. Insert the hook into a loop below the yarn tail. Yarn over and pull through. Then use the needle to pick up some loops below. Thread the yarn tail into the needle. Pull yarn through the loops. Then poke the rest of the yarn tail into the head to hide it. Now we finish one of the ears. You can make the other one symmetrically by your own. Now we embroider the mouth. Thread the needle. And tie a knot. Insert the needle from the side face. And bring it up at an appropriate position on the left side. Leave some thread tail outside. Count 3 stitches to the right. And insert needle at this position. Bring up the needle from the center of the next round. Make sure the thread is under the needle. Then insert the needle directly below in the next round. And bring it up from the starting point. Insert the needle between the two strands of the original knot, draw yarn through to fix the knot. Tie a knot. Insert the needle into the same stitch and bring it out of somewhere else of the head to hide the knot. Cut off the rest of the thread. Poke the yarn tail back inside the head to hide it. Now we have finished making the bunny doll.